Hi everybody, it's Ellen coming to you from my kitchen. I have in front of me our Rockcrok collection. These are really the pots that I have in front of us. Just know that we have 6 different sizes of Rockcroks. We have basically 4 pots, and then we have 2 flat grill stones. We have a small grill stone, and then we have a large round grill stone that kind of looks like a pizza pan. But in front of me, this is the 2-quart casserole. Okay, it's small enough for dessert. It's small enough for a like a 2-3 people household. Then we have, this is the everyday Rockcrok, and this is great for a side dish. It's great for families that are, you know, about 4 people or less. And then this one is my favorite. It is the 4-quart Dutch oven. This is perfect for an entree. It's great for soups and chilies. It's wonderful for larger families, extended families, so this actually feeds a whole lot. So if you actually have all 3 of them being used in one night, then I would consider the entree here, the side dish, and then dessert. But you don't have to use all 3 of them in one night, but it's just, it gives you an option as far as sizes go. And I kind of like to let people see that, because especially if they have a cooking show and I'm there, I don't really take all of these with me. I only take one, and it's usually this one. Okay. Another added component to the Rockcrok collection is the slow cooker stand. Now this slow cooker stand fits 2 of the Rockcroks. Okay. This fits the 2.5 everyday pan, and it fits the 4-quart. Okay, so when you put, or when you actually combine the pots with the slow cooker stand, it gives you more options. So this slow cooker stand has 3 settings. Basically, it's low, high, and warm. So let me tell you why you need the Rockcrok in your home. These vessels allow you to cook on the stove. You can put it in the oven to bake. You can broil with it. You can put it in the microwave oven, as well as the grill outside. And then if you're tired of doing dishes, you can throw them in the dishwasher. So these go everywhere with you. The lid is glass. It is tempered up to 400 degrees. So as a kind of as a tip, if you put it out on the grill, I actually tell people, put foil on here, especially if you have a charcoal grill, because you really can't control the temperature of the grill. Put foil on here just to kind of protect the lid. I'm not sure, sometimes the heat can get so high that you don't want to damage the lid. But otherwise, it is tempered at 400, and the Rockcrok is ceramic, so it is clay, but it is safe to use up to 752 degrees. Okay. Now in the house, if you are cooking at a very high temperature like that, we need to talk. Okay, because you shouldn't be really going higher than 500 degrees. Okay, so I kind of wanted to let you know that these are the different variations of the Rockcrok. That is why you want these in your kitchen, because it's a power tool. A power tool that gives you so many different ways on how to prepare your meal. You can go right from stovetop directly into the oven. You can bake cakes in here. You can do recipes from breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizers, desserts, everything, all in one vessel. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. Make sure you subscribe on this video. And until my next video, enjoy. Bye-bye.